Yo YouTube, what is going on? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free money in Blox Fruits, guys. You're going to be able to get 100 million in free money using a Blox Fruit code, and this is working in 2024, guys. So yeah, this is going to save you a bunch of cash because you can see money is pretty damn expensive, and this is also going to save you a bunch of time, so you won't have to earn money in Blox Fruits. But anyway, guys, follow the instructions that I'm going to show you in this tutorial. You need to use your mobile phone, and like I said, this is going to get you a Blox Fruits code, so you need to navigate your way to this website on your phone, guys. www.robotcoupons.com. So as you can see, guys, this is a codes website that I discovered. They have tons of sort of game codes and things. So go to the search bar here where it says use this handy search bar, search now. Search for Blox Fruits. Oops. Sorry, guys. Trying to type looking through the camera. But there you go, Blox Fruits secret codes. So just navigate your way to this page. You can see there is a bunch of codes left, but they are limited in number. Now, there's a few different codes here. In this video, we're focusing on the free money code. So you can see you can get 100 million free money in Blox Fruits. So you need to click on show code. Now, this is a secret code that you need to unlock. As I said, these codes are limited, and 100 million is a ton of money. So you need to unlock your personal Blox Fruits code. So tap unlock code. Now I've already got my code and it is limited to 1 per person. So I'm going to cancel this. But that loading screen is going to count up to 100%. And it's going to basically show you a new screen and tell you how to unlock your code. It will take about 5 minutes because there is a sort of verification step you need to complete, but it is completely free and super simple. You need to complete a couple of tasks. Just follow the instructions and that will unlock your Blox Fruits code, and you can redeem it in game, and it's going to supply you with 100 million free money. So that is it, guys. Just go to Robot Coupons, search for the Blox Fruits secret codes page, select your code, unlock your code, verify yourself, follow the instructions, and that is how to get free money in Blox Fruits. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Any questions, drop a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.